Simple and elegant ingredients are all you need for the perfect, refreshing dish that you'll certainly want to keep in mind as the temperatures climb. We are all in the DelmarvaLife Kitchen today with Cassandra Brown. She is the owner of Una Bella Salute in Berlin, and we are making gazpacho.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me again.
We're not cooking, right? We're just putting it all together.
We're all putting it all together. And when I came up with this recipe, or decided to use this recipe, which I got from one of the cookbooks that we have at the store, it was 70 degrees. And it's like this morning, it's like, oh, maybe we need to put it in a pot and warm it up. But no, it's going to be a cold soup. And it's real quick and easy. And it is of Spanish flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And of course, using the ingredients, some of the ingredients that we can get at Una Bella Salute.
Yes, we are going to use one of our oils, which is a basic unflavored olive oil. It is a mild intensity. We're also going to use a sherry.
Sherry wine vinegar here?
Yes, sherry wine vinegar.
All right, cool.
Okay,
Love
so
this.
what do we do?
Okay, so we're going to, since you're on this side, you get to do the work.
Okay.
Put you to work. Really?
Okay, so
I'm
we're
not
going
really
to,
one with it. How do I even, all right, here we go. Just fire this off here? Oh, really?
yes,
Okay.
there you go. And you're going to just basically just toss everything in.
Okay.
Yes, we have our tomatoes here.
Okay.
And so you can just go ahead and spoon those in.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go, if you need a spoon.
All right.
And
Now, here's the deal. I studied abroad in college in Spain, and that was the first time I ever had gazpacho. And at first, when you haven't had it before and you're not expecting the cold, and it's different. But then when you get used to it, it's amazing. All right.
okay.
Here we go.
And then we're going to dump in we have cucumbers here.
Cucumbers.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Cucumbers.
I love all the colors that are happening.
Yes. And we have red peppers.
Red pepper. And this is healthy.
Yes.
Yeah.
And with summer coming on and all the fresh vegetables.
Oh, yeah.
These are just red onions.
Perfect.
Purple onions, or whatever color you want to call them.
I know. People do divide on that.
And then we have the garlic. We have 2 cloves of garlic. And then we're just going to throw in some of this. We just want to save a little bit for garnishing afterwards.
Okay. So you said some.
Just go ahead and put most of it in
Most,
there.
okay.
Is that cilantro?
That is parsley.
Parsley, okay.
Perfect.
Oh, cilantro is a little rounder.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then we're going to put the top on, and we
got
need 2 tablespoons of the olive oil.
Okay.
Just pull.
Oh, just pull. Okay, perfect. Shoot this.
I should let her sit there.
There we go.
Yeah, we use 2 tablespoons of the olive oil.
2 of this here.
2.
Perfect.
And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the sherry wine vinegar.
Okay.
That's interesting. You know, I had a recipe the other day that was called for a sherry or I guess you could use apple juice. And I was like, I wonder if there's such thing as a sherry vinegar. And there we go.
Cassandra, making your dream come true.
I needed you the other day.
Yes. That means you need to come back.
I did, absolutely. Well, I need to stock up because I'm running out of all of my good stuff.
And because we have limited space, we do have things that aren't necessarily on the shelf. I call it our private stock. Because we have to, go and.
So you're inviting us all to the private stock. I like that.
Right.
I'm not putting this in.
No. Okay. This should
for
be
dessert.
Yeah, that should be over here with this.
Now,
All right.
what's my level of
just blend.
intense blend?
Well, I would
Free?
start kind of slow and then.
Oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay. How's that look? A little more?
Looks good to me.
Looks good.
Looks good?
Yes, it
Okay.
does.
We'll
And
keep
then
some of
you
the
can
color.
just go ahead and.
I think you have a thing here.
Oh, I could just pour it from there, huh?
Yeah.
What do I?
There you go.
Oh, right.
And just
not
pour it into the
amazing.
bowl.
Okay. Ooh.
That is beautiful.
I like how it kind of keeps all the colors of everything else too.
Yes.
Like it's not just one color, it's very beautiful. Okay.
And then you can just we can just garnish it with just a couple pieces of the parsley that we have left, just to to give it some color.
Okay. And then I guess all that's left is serve it up and taste it.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow. That was so easy and really not all that many ingredients when you think about it.
Now you can throw that together pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Yes. And with some nice
it
bread.
Yes. And it smells so fresh. Oh.
It does. Oh, I love it. It smells like summer.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that is good.
Wow.
It tastes like summer too.
It does. It's super refreshing.
Oh my goodness. All right. So we have the soup, we have the gazpacho.
Yes.
Now we're going to make a little bit of dessert.
Yes.
So,
we
so
are.
well,
And
actually,
that's-
we're going to take a break
Oh, okay.
and
Then
make
we'll
the
come
dessert.
back and make the
So we
dessert.
can finish all this and then make the dessert.
Stick around, DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.
Well, our smooth gazpacho was a huge hit in the DelmarvaLife Kitchen this afternoon. I mean, Lisa and I are like still going for it. So now it's time for dessert. Am I right?
Yes.
So we're still with Cassandra Brown of Una Bella Salute in Berlin. And what is on our dessert menu?
We are having fruit with
Prosecco.
Prosecco.
Okay, I'm looking at you can buy these cookbooks at Una Bella Salute, and this one came from the Italy one, and it's also, to make that, it's egg yolks, Prosecco, and Sicilian lemon white balsamic vinegar.
Yes.
That
Yes.
sounds amazing.
Sounds perfect.
Exactly. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to ask you to put the
Put the berries in the bowl.
berries in the bowl.
From this bowl to that bowl. Do I
had
need
a
a little spoon or something?
Yeah, I had one up here, but I guess we used it.
Oh, use a fork. And
Okay.
is it all mixed up?
Yeah,
Okay.
And we have strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries.
raspberries. Oh.
Now the recipe actually called for you can also use cherries if you wanted to.
Okay,
okay.
The raspberries, the strawberries.
I like what you chose. I think you
Whatever.
nailed it.
Yes.
Maybe what's in
yes,
season.
Yes,
Right, right.
exactly,
Okay.
exactly. So and it's really, again, it's really simple. We're going to add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of the lemon
2 tablespoons.
balsamic
I like
vinegar.
that.
Just pour it all in there.
Yes, just drizzle it all over.
Whoop, up.
Well,
No
hey.
extra never hurt
Yes,
anyone.
yes, the more the berry. The more the merry.
Okay.
And this, the
Prosecco.
Prosecco wine is already in the
Gotcha.
Oh, okay.
pursuit. So then we're going to take a little
Sugar. And how much of this?
just to taste, just sprinkle some on.
Sprinkle it on there to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. How's that?
Yeah.
Think that's enough? A little
Maybe
more?
just a little more. Maybe a little
There you
bit.
go.
There we go.
There you go.
It's snowing.
Oh, okay. And you just kind of toss that around.
Okay, I can do that.
And then we're going to
Oh.
some in your little
Serve it in the little bowls.
and we're just going to
Oh, do I put the?
No, go ahead. Go
Okay,
ahead.
all right.
And how's everything going at the store?
It's going great.
Yeah?
It's going great. We got some really neat new stuff in, couple new
Really?
flavors. So you got to come in and try them.
Yes.
And see what all we have.
And they're so easy to find because you're right there on Main Street
Yes,
in Berlin.
right on Main Street. And you can, now that we have that, oops, you can just put a double.
Okay, I'm gonna grab another spoon here. Oh,
One of my favorite things in the world is sampling flavors at
Yes,
Una Bella Salute.
yes. I'm
It's
just gonna use
so
the-
fun.
And I chose these recipes because I wanted everyone to know that you can use the oils and vinegars for more than just
Exactly.
putting it on a salad,
Yeah.
marinating meat. As you see, we've made the soup, we've made the
Yeah.
fresh.
is that enough or more?
It's up to you, honey.
Wow, hey.
Okay, LB, go
There
for
you
it.
That has
go.
the
There you
Prosecco in it,
go.
so-
There you go.
There you
Nice.
go.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
And is that it?
And that's it.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
If you wanted to garnish it with some mint or something,
Ooh,
you know,
yeah.
or maybe a lemon slice.
Yes.
Hey, go for it.
Perfect.
There you go.
All right.
And you want to hand her
There
first
you are.
Okay.
for the tasting here.
Yeah.
I'll let you taste first.
Oh, me first. Pressure's on.
Yeah.
All right. I got a lot of the custard, but I don't regret that. Ooh. Wow.
Oh, that's good.
I love how fluffy that custard is.
Like, you just basically
Oh my gosh.
over low heat. You just kind of just do the custard.
thicken up?
Yeah.
Wow.
That is so good.
I love it.
That has me so excited for spring and summer.
I know. I feel like we got the vegetables and we got the fruit. It just feels like summery vibes.
Yep.
Right.
On leaf year,
Exactly.
you know?
Cassandra Brown, thank you so much for coming.
you.
Always good to see you.
Yes, you guys
Yes.
too. Thank you.
And happy Leap Day.
Yes, happy Leap Day. Love it. Happy Leap Day. So you have to make sure you come back to the store. And I know you do. And you only come in when we serve you food. But and that's something I'm going to be
Guilty.
doing is we're going to be sampling a lot of our pastas and making dishes in the store now. So stay tuned to our website and our Instagram page,
Okay. Yes.
and you'll see the days that we're doing different
What are
different
those?
dishes.
What are those dates going to be? Just let me know.
Yeah, I
right
sure
on
will
it.
because I'm sure you'll be there.
Una Bella Salute in Berlin.